Before the world began, before light ever touched the darkness, love already existed. Not a concept, not an emotion, a person, the Father. A heart overflowing with desire for a family. His great love did not begin with you, but it was always aimed at you. His love is older than creation, older than angels, older than time itself. And yet this eternal love is personal, intentional, and unchanging. You were not an afterthought. You were not a reaction. You were a desire in the heart of God long before your first breath. Understanding His great love begins with this truth. You were chosen before you were born. He did not wait to see how you would turn out. He loved you before you had a chance to fail. His love is not based on your performance. It is based on His nature. Jesus told a story about a father who ran toward a broken son. That story was not about rebellion. It was about the father's heart. The father was not angry. He was not calculating consequences. He ran. He embraced. He restored. That is the picture of His great love. God is not waiting for you to crawl back. He is running toward you with open arms. The cross is the clearest expression of His great love. Not because Jesus suffered, but because the Father gave. Love gives. Love sacrifices. Love pays the highest price. Jesus did not die to change the Father's mind about you. Jesus died to reveal the Father's mind about you. The cross is not God's anger poured out. It is God's love poured out. His love covers you, not lightly, not temporarily, completely, fully, eternally. Earthly love can be fragile, but His love is covenant love. Covenant love does not break. It does not weaken. It does not shift with moods or seasons. You are not tolerated. You are covered. People may leave. People may change. People may disappoint. But God says, I will never leave you nor forsake you. That promise is not based on your behavior. It is anchored in His character. He stays when you're strong. He stays when you're weak. He stays when you're confused. He stays when you're broken. His great love is a love that stays. Many struggle to understand God's love because their earthly father failed them. Some fathers were absent. Some were harsh. Some were silent. Some were wounded themselves. But God is not a reflection of your earthly father. He is the perfection of what a father should be. His love heals the wounds life created. His love restores what people damaged. His love rebuilds what sin destroyed. When Jesus was baptized, the Father spoke from heaven, "This is my beloved Son, in whom I am well pleased." Jesus had not performed a miracle yet. The Father's love was not based on ministry. It was based on identity. You are loved because you belong to Him, not because you impress Him. His great love speaks identity before activity. Love does not just comfort. Love empowers. His love strengthens you to walk in purpose, to stand in authority, to live in confidence. You are not trying to earn His approval. You are living from His approval. His love is the fuel of your calling. Religion tries to change people through fear. Love transforms people through grace. Fear may control behavior, but love transforms the heart. When you know you are loved, sin loses its attraction. When you know you are loved, shame loses its voice. When you know you are loved, fear loses its grip. Transformation is not the result of trying harder. It is the result of receiving deeper. His love never fails. Human love can fail. God's love cannot. His love is eternal, unchanging, unstoppable. Nothing you do can make Him love you more. Nothing you do can make Him love you less. His great love is not fragile. It is not uncertain. It is not temporary. It is the most stable reality in the universe. At the end of every journey, every struggle, every season, His love calls you home. Not to a place of judgment, but to a place of belonging. Not to a throne of condemnation, but to a throne of grace. His great love is not something you earn. It is something you awaken to. And when you finally understand His great love, you don't just know God. You know the Father. You know the one who formed you, chose you, redeemed you, and calls you His own. His great love is the beginning, the center, and the destiny of your entire life. Thank you for spending this time in the Word with me today. If this teaching brought clarity or strengthened your walk, I invite you to stay connected with Bible truth. Make sure you're subscribed, and if the Lord leads, share this message with someone who needs it. Until next time, keep your eyes on Scripture, keep your heart in the truth, and keep walking in the light God has given you. This is Bible truth, where clarity lives, and Christ is exalted.